Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Welsh from CosmicThings.com, and I'm here today with the Samsung Alias 2 from Verizon Wireless. This phone, I actually got two of them free from Verizon because they were running a promo. And I had new every two, but it's running around $30 right now on contract on the internet. So, well, let's get right into unboxing this. Got a picture of the inside here. Now, this Alias 2 is, of course, a sequel to the original Alias, which has its unique dual hinge design. So it's a versatile phone. Now, the original Alias, the buttons were very cramped and confusing, and on this new device, it features an e-ink keyboard, which is some of the technology that's used in the Kindle, and the keys actually change based on what you need to use them for. So, we're starting right out here. We got our user manual packet. It's got information on not driving and tips, hints, and shortcuts. That's the user manual packet. We've got a battery here, Samsung battery. Our proprietary charger. And here we have the device itself. It's pretty nice. It's got this, well, let me get the film off the back here so I can show you the back. It's got this sort of textured back cover. It's plastic, but it feels nice. The phone feels nice in your hand. It's got the touch-sensitive controls on the front. 2-megapixel camera. Here along the side we have a dedicated power key because the end key changes its position. We have a lock key to lock the front display. Micro SD card slot right there. You can stick a micro SD card in there. It supports up to 16 gigabytes of storage. We've got a dedicated voice command key, volume rocker, and your charging port is right there. Also, it comes with a 2.5mm headphone jack, which, I'm not that happy about that, but, what are you going to do? It also supports stereo Bluetooth, so that's an option as well. Opening up the device front-wise, as you can see, there is the keyboard that I was telling you about. I'm not sure if you can see that, but right now it's got number pad and a dedicated messaging key, and all this changes as you use the device. E-ink uses no power once it's been set, so whatever position it's in when the phone turns off, it stays that way, but it doesn't use any power as it's doing it. So in addition to it flipping open this way, it also flips open this way. And then you can use it for texting, and normally if the phone was on it would switch. So let's go ahead and we'll take this front cover off here, and we'll go ahead and power this on for the first time. Got a nice little backlight on the display. And the keypad there. This has a pretty nice display on it. Oh, did you see the ink starting up? And there's your Verizon sound there. Now this phone is not activated, so I'm going to have to go and activate it. But I just wanted to show you a little bit around the device. Now, this device comes with a interesting schoolhouse design to begin with. I'm going to be changing that, but that's interesting. That's something different. I want to show you what happens when you flip open the phone the other way. You can switch that to whatever you want. So what you do is you go ahead and you flip this open, and did you see it flash? Now it has a QWERTY board. So let's go ahead and go up to messaging here. Go new message, text message. And then you use this key right here, this ABC key, and you use it to switch between the different modes for the keyboard. So let's go ahead and type a message here. Pushed it too long there. And that says hello Samsung Alias 2. It's a pretty nice keyboard. The keys are actually very spacious. It feels a little bit different than other QWERTY phones that I've taken a look at, because the keys are a little bit plasticky, but I think it's nice because it gives a nice grip on them. So the keyboard is great overall, and of course you can flip the phone and then continue your message using T9 style or whatever. So there's T9, and so this is a pretty nice device. I'm going to go ahead and get this activated, and then I'll have a full review later on of this device. So stay tuned to CosmicThings.com for all the latest information on the Samsung Alias 2.